Everything in this world has a limit. You being happy has a limit. You being sad has a limit. You being lucky has a limit. You being unlucky has a limit. You being rich has a limit. You being poor has a limit. But there is no limit to hard work. You can work as hard as you want to. A very good evening to one and all present here. I'm Himanshu Sharma from Quant Masters, and today's session we will be discussing about Wipro NLTH 2021 technical interview questions. Like TCS, we are the first ones to bring the experience of our students who have taken up the interview today, that is on 5th of March 2021. Out of 100%, 99.99% of the students are waiting for their interview calls. So we thought to take opportunity of this situation and help all the students to prepare better by knowing what are the type of questions asked, what is the level of difficulty asked, on what platform are they asking, when are they receiving the mails, and when are they receiving the text messages. Okay, so without wasting any time, let us start. But before I begin, we have uploaded 10 hours of technical training interview uh, training for Wipro NLTH in our YouTube channel. So do watch them. It will definitely help all the IT and non-IT students who are about to take the interview. So let's start. So two people, one is from Bihar and one is from Karnataka. So Bihar person, he is from CS department, and Karnataka girl is from EC department. So I have amalgamated both the questions, and we'll be discussing about it. So first question which was asked to both of them was introduce yourself. Now this one question no will either make your interview or break your interview for sure. 60% of your interview is decided by this question. Tell me about yourself or introduce yourself. So it is very important for you to create the best impression right from the first question. See, you people would have worked hard, cleared the first round, and now you're entering the interview. So it is very important to know what to answer, what not to answer, how much to answer, and how much not to answer, or what not to answer. Okay, so let us discuss few points, few important points with respect to technical interviews and HR interviews. So introduce yourself. This question was asked in the technical round. So if you are asking me, sir, will this be a technical come HR interview? Okay, this was the confusion to many of my students. Sir, will we have technical and HR together, or will we have technical separately and HR separately? Okay, so this student has told, sir, I had my technical interview, but HR question was asked in this. We will also have an HR round. This is what she told. So when I asked, did they explicitly tell you? She told, yes, sir. They told that all the best for your HR interview. This is what was told to her. So in Wipro, after technical, we will have HR interviews. Clear? First question which was asked was introduce yourself. Now, when you talk about yourself, see through it that first you talk about your college department, CGPA, you talk. After that, see through it that you talk about your academics, how much you have scored. Okay, you can talk about your extracurriculars, basically about your achievements more. Talk about your achievements. If not achievements, talk about your participations. Okay, talk about your extracurriculars, talk about your sports, talk about your culturals. Okay, and any various things which you have done with respect to paper presentation, if you have presented, talk about that. Then talk about your project which you're doing, talk about the technology which you're using and how is it different. Talk about that. Okay, the project that you're doing, and then you talk about general qualities of yours which sets you apart. Like if you ask me, I like interacting with people, I like giving stage performances, I like talking on the dais, I like meeting new people and traveling to places. This is what I like. So even you can tell more about yourself like that, but see through it that when you tell and when you end, no, you have created the best impression. Best impression. So about your college department, then you talk about your curriculars, like you talk about your academics, you talk about your sports, extracurricular activities, paper presentations, whatever you have done, achievements first. If not achievements, talk about the participations. Then you talk about your projects, the domain at which you're working, the technologies which you're using, and how is it different. Okay, and then you talk about your personal thing, like you are quite confident, you like to meet people, you like to travel. Okay, all these stuffs are very important. So in this 1 minute, create the best impression. Clear, all of you? Now, before I proceed, whatever you tell in this 1 minute, get to know each and everything. If you're talking about the project, you should know everything about the project. They can cross question you. If you tell, I like visiting new places, I like talking to strangers, they will ask you examples of it. So keep them ready, recollect them, prepare yourself for them. The best way to have a good interview is by knowing what you tell. Whatever you tell, you should know about it with an example at the back. Clear? So next question which was asked to her was, uh, tell me about the projects that you have mentioned in your resume. So whatever projects that you mentioned in your resume, please know about them, because few questions were asked from her project. Now this is quite evident, don't you think so? In TCS, you had questions on projects, and even in Wipro, they're asking questions on projects. So please know everything about your project, in and out about your project. How is it working? Many students were asked, what is the advantage of your project, or how is your project different from others? Are you getting it? And they're also asking, how will this help in today's world in 21st century? How is the projects going to help? Your project going to help? This is what they're asking. So get to know about that. And then they asked, what all languages do you know? She told, I knew about JavaScript, I knew about C, C++, and then they asked questions on JavaScript to her. Many questions was asked on JavaScript. Then they asked her, 5 years from now, where do you want to see yourself? Now, see, 5 years from now, you don't have to directly tell, I would like to be the manager, I would like to be the team lead. You can just tell, if you ask me, where would you see yourself in the next 5 years? In the position where I would be when I work my 100%, when I give my 100%, whichever position which I deserve, I would love to see myself over there. Let it be senior, associate, or team leader, or a manager. I do not know which position I deserve. I just put my 100%, and wherever my efforts take me, I would see myself over there. No particular position, because we never know. Team lead, how many years will it take? To become a manager, how many years will it take? Am I right? So let's be realistic. Okay, then he asked me to tell about my family. Now, this is very important. Whenever they ask you about your family, there are reasons why they're asking. Okay, if I tell about my father, about my mother, brother, sister, and all, they're checking, are you from a sound family or not? Okay, they even ask questions like, does your family members quarrel with each other? How's the relation between them? Just to check if if I want to know about, I'll get to know about your surroundings first. Okay, if I want to know about you, I will ask about your friends, because if I get to know about your friends, I'll indirectly get to know about you. Same way, if I get to know about your family, I'll get to know more about you. Your parents are quarreling, okay, so that might impact you a bit, and even you might, have that in you a bit. So indirectly they will ask about your surroundings. See through it that you be positive throughout the interview. Even if your parents quarrel, even if your siblings quarrel with you, please do not tell that we do quarrel. You don't have to tell it. Okay, so you can tell, like, it's a, there are difference of opinions, sir. Like, my father wants the wall to be painted in this color, my mother wants it to be painted in this color. So these difference of opinions are there, sir, but within no time they clear the confusion and they settle with one color. This is what you can tell. Okay, if they probe you more. Then, whether I am okay with relocating, and what about the shifts? Are you okay with relocating? Now, if you ask me, initially I told you about myself that I like visiting places. So when I like visiting places, I would definitely be ready to relocate. Is it clear? So when he asked me, are you ready to relocate? I would say, sir, I like visiting new places, and I would look forward if there is a chance to relocate. This is what I would tell. And are you ready to work in shift? You don't have to tell, I am made to work in night shift, sir. You please give me. No, sir, if there is a necessity, if there is a requirement, if there is a need, I would definitely work for extra hours in the company for sure. This is what you can tell. Am I right? Uh, whether do you know the service agreement of Wipro? This was asked. Okay, so please know the service agreement which was asked in Wipro. Okay, whatever service agreements are there, you should know about them. And also they asked, what do you know more about Wipro? Now there are three categories of students. Okay, three classes of students, I would say. Class one students would be like, what do you know about Wipro, or why do you want to join Wipro? You can tell, sir, Wipro last year had this was the number of employee, or even class one people are the people who tell like, sir, I heard from my friends, from my seniors, from my family members that Wipro is really good, so I want to join. This is how 70 to 80% people answer. Don't be of class one type. Class two type people tell, sir, Wipro, last year the revenue was this much and this year the revenue is this much, so there is a huge uh, increase in the revenue and the company is growing, so I would like to be a part of it. This is class two. But try to be class three. Why do you want to join Wipro? Tell information, statistics in such a way that the interviewer is impressed. You can start, sir, Wipro started in this year, it had these many employees, right now it has these many employees. Currently, these are the branches, they are into all these productions, this is what they are into. It is such a fast growing company, fast paced company. Okay, and I would like to be a part of this company and see how I can contribute to the company. Don't check how the company will benefit you. Try to tell in such a way that how you can benefit the company. This is what the HRs need. They don't want you to be dependent on the company. They want to know how you can contribute to the company's growth. Keep your company above you. Are you getting it? So talk something like this. Talk statistics in such a way that even the HR feels this guy knows more than me, and they are blown off. Are you getting it, people? So talk about the statistics, which departments they are into, which areas they are into, which type of technologies are they into, how are they blooming, what was the revenue last year, what was the revenue 5 years back, in pandemic, what was the extra steps with which they took for their employees. Talk about that. If they ask you, why do you want to join Wipro? Clear? Then service agreement. At last, he asked me about my academic grades. Now, see, many students know 10th standard, they'll have good percentage, 12th standard, decent percentage. Engineering, it will go down. So they might ask you that why have you, 10th and 12th, you have scored so well. In engineering, your percentage is not as good as compared to your 10th and 12th. So you can tell, what I used to tell is, I used to tell, sir, when I was in 10th and 12th, we were not exposed to so many extracurricular activities. But when I joined engineering, initially, I started participating in so many activities, extracurricular activities, sir, sporting activities. I started participating that I didn't know how to manage both. But if you see my fourth, fifth, sixth sem results, no, sir, I have also participated and I've also, scored well. And now, sir, I know how to manage both. This is what I've learned along with my academics in college. So this trap question or this statement where many people do not know what to answer, you can answer it in this way and make it your strength. You can talk about your time management. You can talk about how you manage things, how you learn to manage in your college with respect to academics, with respect to extracurricular activities. Okay, you can talk about it. Okay. Then the next question which was asked was, it was more like a HR interview, sir, than a technical. Technical, he asked me only about my projects and few questions on JavaScripts. Then I asked her, was this technical plus HR? She told, no, sir, it was only technical. HR round is there. Then I asked, when did you get the mail for technical interview? She told, sir, yesterday at 6 p.m., I received a text message that I'm having a virtual technical interview tomorrow. And then I received the further information like timings and link through mail. Then I asked her, and only these many technical questions were asked. She told, yes, sir. Only these many technical questions were asked. They asked me about my projects. They asked about JavaScripts and all. Okay. Then I asked her, on which platform was the interview conducted? She told it was conducted on Microsoft Teams. And I asked her, how many minutes was the interview conducted? How many minutes did you give your interview? She told, sir, only around 15 to 20 minutes. Okay. I asked her, are you sure of the HR round to be conducted? Did they mention? She told, yes, sir. At last, he informed that there is going to be a HR interview and the company will further communicate that to us. Okay. So this was what was done for my students. Okay. So I hope you have got an idea of what are the type of questions asked and how you should answer, what you should answer and what you should not answer. Few more tips from my end. Try to be as positive as possible in the interview, because you would, now let me take an example. Okay, now two lecturers are coming to your class. One lecturer, okay, he does not smile much, he's very strict, okay, he's very rude, Okay, he comes inside, two new lecturers. Okay, so one lecturer comes, he does not smile, he has no smiling face. Okay, and he tells, hi, good morning, sit down. How would you feel? Okay, no good impression. Now lecturer 2 comes, very happy. Okay, brings in energy to the class. Okay, talks to you so nicely. How would you feel? Won't you feel happy? Why don't you do the same thing even in the interview? Like how I'm talking to you, the energy, the smile, and the way which I'm talking, why don't you try to be so positive in the interview? Makes a lot of difference. Are you getting it? So be positive, show energy, so show your interest and enthusiasm in the interview. Okay, so this is what I would like to tell. Be positive and be open minded. Okay, if they ask you, you are supposed to read this, will you be able to do? You tell, yes sir, in fact, I love to take up challenges. I would like to learn more and more technology, sir. It will definitely help my company and even me to grow, sir. This is what you can tell. Am I right? So be positive, be calm and composed, people. Very important. Okay, be calm. Okay, even if you get rejected, it is fine, but do not lose your calm. Now, recently I took one interview experience of one of my students. She told, sir, Infosys interview, I didn't know few questions, but I did not lose my calm. I was selected at the end, sir. In the interview, get to know it is not only about what you answer, it is about how you answer. That is also very important. So when you do not know few answers, don't lose your confidence. That is fine. Just say that I do not know at the moment, sir, but I will definitely know. Yeah, try to learn after the interview. Smile at them. Be happy. Feel as though you're meeting a long lost friend after a long time. Is it clear? So with this, I wish you all the best. And if any of you would like to share your Wipro experience, please do DM us. We will leave the link in the description. You can get in touch with us, and we would love to take interviews so that we can help more and more students across the nation. Okay. So with this, I wish you all the best for your interviews. Prepare really well. Keep smiling. Take care of yourselves, people. Bye bye.